Hello and welcome back to Forge Advisors, where your success is our mission. Imagine waking up every day excited, working on something you're truly passionate about. That's the power of a career you love. Today, we explore how to find a career you genuinely love. Start with self-reflection. It's like turning a mirror towards your soul, unveiling your passions, strengths, and values. Before you leap into a career, understanding yourself is paramount. Because at the end of the day, your career should align with who you are. Next, dive into research and exploration. It's crucial to delve into various careers and industries. Get a feel for the landscape. Job shadowing can provide a first-hand experience of a typical workday. Internships offer practical exposure and a chance to learn the ropes. Informational interviews, on the other hand, can give insights straight from industry professionals. These methods can help you make an informed decision about your career. Remember, when it comes to choosing a career path, knowledge is power. Finally, it's time to take action. Once you've zeroed in on a potential career path, it's time to put your plans into motion. Start networking. Connect with people who are already in the field. They can provide valuable insights and might even help open doors. Next, focus on building relevant skills. Look for courses, workshops, or even books that can boost your expertise. And above all, stay persistent. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Taking the first step is often the hardest, but it's the beginning of a journey towards a career you love. In conclusion, finding a career you genuinely love involves a journey of self-reflection, thorough research, exploration, and decisive action. Remember, it's not a race. It's perfectly okay to take your time and make changes along the way. Life is about evolution, and your career is no exception. So embrace the journey with an open mind and a resilient spirit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep winning.